Hook. Hey there, you've just discovered a hidden gem in the cryptocurrency world, a platform that lets you buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies without the hassle of traditional KYC, know your customer, procedures. Does it sound too good to be true? Well, it's not. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Newton, a Canadian cryptocurrency exchange that's making waves with its unique approach to user verification. Building context. KYC, the usual suspect. Let's start by understanding why KYC is so prevalent in the financial world. It's a regulatory measure designed to prevent money laundering, terrorist financing, and other illicit activities. Most financial institutions, including banks and traditional cryptocurrency exchanges, require users to provide personal information like ID proofs, proof of address, and sometimes even face-to-face verification. The drawbacks of KYC. While KYC is essential for maintaining financial integrity, it also comes with its drawbacks. The process can be time-consuming, often involving multiple steps and waiting periods. Additionally, sharing personal information can raise privacy concerns, especially in an age where data breaches are becoming increasingly common. Introducing Newton. A different approach. Newton, a Canadian-based cryptocurrency exchange, is taking a different route. It has adopted a unique approach to user verification that eliminates the need for traditional KYC procedures. Instead of requiring users to submit personal information, Newton relies on a combination of other factors to verify identity. How does it work? Newton's verification process involves email verification. This is the first step. Users need to confirm their email address to create an account. Mobile number verification. Once the email is verified, Newton requires users to provide a valid mobile number. Transaction history analysis. Newton analyzes users' transaction history on the platform. If there are any suspicious activities or patterns, the exchange may take further steps to verify identity. The benefits of Newton's approach. Speed and convenience. One of the biggest advantages of Newton's approach is its speed and convenience. Users can create an account and start trading within minutes, without the hassle of collecting documents and waiting for verification processes. Enhanced privacy. By minimizing the collection of personal information, Newton helps protect user privacy. This is particularly important in the cryptocurrency world, where privacy concerns are paramount. Accessibility. Newton's approach makes it more accessible to a wider range of users, including those who may have difficulty providing traditional KYC documents or who may prefer to maintain their privacy. Is Newton completely KYC free? Exceptions. While Newton's approach is generally KYC free, there are a few exceptions. In certain cases, such as when there are unusual transaction patterns or when large sums of money are involved, Newton may require additional verification. Compliance with regulations. It's important to note that Newton still complies with regulatory requirements. While it doesn't require traditional KYC, it has implemented other measures to ensure compliance with anti-money laundering and terrorist financing laws. The future of cryptocurrency exchanges. A paradigm shift. Newton's approach could signal a paradigm shift in the cryptocurrency industry. As more exchanges adopt similar models, we may see a future where KYC becomes less prevalent and user privacy is prioritized. Balancing security and convenience. While Newton's approach offers several benefits, it's essential to strike a balance between security and convenience. It's crucial for exchanges to implement robust measures to prevent fraud and other illicit activities, even without traditional KYC. Conclusion. Newton, a pioneer. Newton has taken a bold step by eliminating the need for traditional KYC procedures. Its approach offers a more convenient and privacy-focused way to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. A promising future. As the cryptocurrency industry continues to evolve, we can expect to see more innovative solutions like Newton that prioritize user experience and privacy. End screen. Call to action. Want to learn more about Newton and how it works? Check out the link in the description below. Subscribe and like. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cryptocurrency news and insights. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.